All right, look, I'm gonna show you a new DEX just like Uniswap that's much better, much faster, that you should be using and you should be investing in as well. This is not a sponsored video. I stumbled upon this. I started using it. I got ecstatic. I loved it and I invested in it, and maybe you should too. So make sure you watch this video because we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Britta Fans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Britta Fans.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship. And today I want to talk to you about a new protocol that I have been using. It's like Uniswap, but better. It's faster, it's cheaper, it's glassless, it gives you rewards, and it's just so amazing. And look, I really believe you should start using this application, using this protocol, because it's much better than Uniswap. It's very easy to use. You will get more out of it, but also consider investing in their token, because I do believe they're gonna capture market share from Uniswap. No one's really talking about this. I've talked about it a couple of times. Some people have talked about it as a protocol, as a use case. Not many people have been talking about investing in it. I have done in live streams, and I'm making this video right now to get it out to you because I really think it's worth it. So it's called CoW, and their tagline is "Don't get milked." And I'm gonna actually show you how you can use this live in just 1 second. But essentially you have the CoW protocol. This is open source permissionless DEX aggregation protocol. You have the CoW swap function, which is what I'm talking about. This is the DEX that lets you do what you want. It's actually quite amazing. You'll see in just 1 second. You have the CoW AMM, the first MEV capturing AMM, and the MEV blocker for the best MEV protection you can get in RPC under the sun. So already you're seeing what this is all about. I've been using CoW. Let me show you in action. Let me just show you so you can understand here. So this is the CoW. As you can see, it pretty much looks like a Uniswap here, right? And I'm going to use one of my MetaMask wallets here so you can actually see how to use this in action. So let's just go for swap first of all. So in this wallet right now, I have about 472 Ethereum. I want to make it into wrapped Ether just because the swap I want to do is better to do it in wrapped Ether, but also I want to show you the swap a couple of times here. And we'll talk about why I have Beam and CoW protocol token in my wallet in just 1 second. So I'm gonna click ETH here and I'm gonna shift it around so it's ETH to WETH. This is wrapped ETH. And I'm gonna go max over here. On second thoughts, let's go to 0.1 just so I can have some ETH in this wallet. So we click wrap, we grant it permission, we wait a little bit, and that was it. There you go. So if we go to the wallet right now, you will see that we now have wrapped Ether. Now, let's say I want to convert this into Beam, for example. Again, let's make this upside down. Let's go for max. We're gonna allow CoW to swap your WETH here, or wrapped ETH. Let's go for max. Let's go to next, and let's approve this. Close this extension. Okay, so we approved, and as you can see, we can swap from WETH or wrapped ETH to Beam right now. Click swap. As you can see, fee is 0. It's free. This is what you'll receive as a minimum. And here's where the magic lies. I'm going to confirm this. Confirm. I love it. I just love it. So now what it's doing, it's batching orders and it's looking for the best possible price for you out there. So the competition has now started. It found the best price, and that's it. It moves. Nice Christmas spirit. Moo! I love it. And you actually received a surplus of 1% as well. How cool is that? So basically, this looks at all DEXs, peer-to-peer, everything possible out there, and brings you the best price. It's amazing. And talking about price, check this out. This is the Uniswap price right now. This is Uniswap, okay? It's sitting at about $14. If we go to the monthly, you will see it actually bottomed out here, made the support, and is gonna go up. Look at the all-time charts. You will see once this breaks 18.9, let's call it 20 psychological breaks, re-challenging the all-time highs at $43 is pretty much inevitable in my opinion. So you got at least a 3, maybe 4x here. Once that breaks, it goes into blue sky breakout. It can go much higher because it's in price discovery. But here's what I want you to pay attention to. Look at the CoW price. CoW price. The Moonomics. CoW on the monthly right now, it broke out, came back down here, and is now making support at $81. cents. And if you go to the all-time chart here, you'll see it just broke out into blue sky breakout and price discovery, making the previous highs into support. If this continues going up, and I think it will, taking market share from Uniswap, this can give you so much profits. It's so early for you to get in right now. I called it even cheaper. For those of you in my group, you got it even cheaper, but right now you're getting it at a great deal in my opinion. Sure, it might go down a little bit, come back up. It doesn't matter. This is a long-term play because if this works out, it's just a no-brainer. It's so easy. And look, you can buy this. You can buy this on exchanges already. You can get it on Binance. You can get it on Coinbase, BitGet, Mexi, and so on. And you can also get it, of course, on a DEX. I'm actually using Uniswap, but I've also bought it on other DEXs as well. So I'm very moo-ish on CoW. I'm moo-ish on CoW, okay? CoW should be part of your crypto portfolio. I actually have a decent position. What you're seeing on this wallet, by the way, of course, I'm gonna transfer it out to my other wallets. This one I use for videos, I use for testing grounds and so on. I actually suggest you have multiple wallets, not just browser wallets like MetaMask, but move it out to a hard wallet like Tangem and so on. I'll leave a couple of links down below. But generally speaking, talking about wallets, you'll see that in this wallet, I'm actually accumulating Beam over here. And now I have $2,650 of Beam. I'm actually getting more. I'm going to transfer this out. But Beam is an extremely good play here, as well as CoW. And I do think these are going to do very well. Beam actually just released some nodes, some Beam nodes. I actually bought 3 of those. I may be buying more. Price goes up tomorrow, by the way. It's $1,250 right now. They will go over 3K, not sponsored, and this is not a sponsored video at all. I do have a referral link. Once you buy a node, you have your own referral link. I'll leave it linked in the description down below in case you want to buy it. Do your research on them. I'm very bullish on Beam. These nodes are incredible. They give you rewards. You can validate them. You can run them. And the Beam now, for me, has become a long-term play because of these nodes. It's deflationary. They're doing big things. They have the money. They have the reputation. So Beam and CoW is a must in my opinion. But of course, do your own research and make sure you watch this video right here next if you want to watch or if you want to discover some high profit potential coins, some degen coins, if you will, that can 20, 30, maybe even 50x. Watch this video and I'll see you in the next one.